Cale Makar can play at a different velocity as well. Burakovsky's in again with a pass to Rantanen. It makes the goal. Andre Burakovsky, and they've got 3 first-period goals again.
Watch the depth of the defenseman, Bogosian. He can't make the play. Already McDonough's back deep about 5 to 10 feet, and that opens up the middle of the ice. This is another play. Great pass by Burakovsky off the skate, and that's a shot pass. Basically, Rantanen knows he's not going to be able to beat the goaltender, but look at the perfect rebound. From that right side, you go off the right pass,